Hello, my name is Lex Stoley. I'm 14 years old and was diagnosed with leukemia 4 years ago.
Hi, my name is Mary Webb. I'm 17 years old and I was diagnosed with brain cancer 3 years ago.
And today we're going to be talking to you about the 95.5 WSB Care-a-thon benefiting the Aflac Cancer and Blood Disorder Center. So Mary, what type of cancer did you have?
I had 2 brain tumors. One was on my pituitary gland and one was on my pineal gland.
So what does your treatment for your brain tumors look like?
So I had 6 rounds of chemo and I had 6 weeks of radiation. I had whole brain radiation and I had pinpointed radiation on the areas where my brain tumors were.
Wow. So what did you feel like on the days that you went and how long were you there for? What were the side effects? What kind of stuff was it like?
So with chemotherapy, I started immediately, which usually isn't how it goes, but I had, one of my tumors was pressing on my optic nerve, so we started immediately. So 3 of the rounds were 5 days, and the other 3 were 3 days long, and they would alternate back and forth. And since I had 6 weeks of radiation, we would have to drive to Atlanta every single day. So how about you? What kind of cancer did you have?
So I had very high-risk acute lymphoblastic leukemia. It's also for short ALL. And so for me, that really entailed 10 months of really intense chemotherapy, going in every week, getting spinal taps where they put a needle in my back and shoot chemotherapy to my brain. And then, so I had about 23 of those. I had many blood transfusions. And then I had 2.5 years of going in every month, getting pills from home, taking over 2,000 chemotherapy pills. And so there's just so much that goes into those treatment plans and so many nights. I spent over 50 nights in the hospital. My mom and I were trying to count and we lost count just thinking about all the days. So it's just, with this cancer plan, there's so much that goes into it. Yeah. So with the WSB 95.5 Care-a-thon coming up, benefiting Aflac Cancer and Blood Disorder Center, why are we asking the viewers to donate and to make an impact on kids? What's the reason for you, just personally, as you've been a patient, why do you think that this is so important?
Well, I think that it is very important for everyone to donate because just the incredible care they gave and just the love that they gave to each and every patient there was just incredible. They truly loved each patient, yes, and they provided opportunities that other hospitals wouldn't have. I was able to do art there and I was able to have a music therapist that I played music with, and they even have a place where you can go out and play basketball, and just they have all of these different things at the hospital that so many hospitals don't have, that is just incredible for the patients. And honestly, it made my stay there so much better, and just the love that I felt the whole time was just amazing.
I 100% agree with that.
So why do you think that this is important for people to donate?
Well, so for me, you mentioned a lot of great points, but the things in the hospital, like the child life therapists, the therapy dogs, the clowns, the music therapist, all those things are 100% donor funded. And so in order for us to have those things, it takes money and it takes time and it takes generosity. And so to have events like these in the WSB Care-a-thon is just so important to helping kids with us going through cancer, blood disorders, and so many other things have experiences like us.
Yeah. While the Care-a-thon hasn't started now, you can still donate.
That's right. You can go to WSBradio.com/Care-a-thon. Again, that's WSBradio.com/Care-a-thon.